Hi, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing well. We are heading out to my brother and my sister-in-law's farmhouse. So this is about 80 kilometers from Chennai. Here's my little Ayat, and we are so tired, and we just wanted to take a break and go and relax for some time. I so sorry. I just literally got distracted by this beautiful view. The entire journey itself is so greenery, so refreshing. You are so busy from Monday to Friday and Saturday, Sundays. You just want to, go and spend some time with your family and chill. So, just look at that view. So beautiful. So when I had a conversation with my sister-in-law, they came up with this project with a farmhouse, and I asked her why farmhouse and why not a beach house. So she owned a cottage in a jungle, in her childhood days, and so she wanted to replicate the similar one. So that's why a farmhouse and not a beach house. Just look at thousands and thousands of watermelons welcomed us. Like you know, so beautiful. And we're almost here. I think it's called Green Leaves. Back then it was Green Prado. Here we go. Now say mashallah. So that's my brother and my father-in-law. So it's gonna be a late lunch because it's almost 4 o'clock. We reach. So look at the size of the onion and the veggies. I must tell you, they were so fresh. Like you know, look at them. So it's a proper Muslim ka khana, and my mother-in-law made some yummy lunch. The next day it is supposed to be a biryani day, so for now it's the normal everyday food that we eat. I was waiting to not miss this sunset. So as we had our lunch, we came up to the terrace to witness that beautiful view. So Ayat here, she loves dogs. So Ayat had a great time with Max. On the other hand, I'm always very anxious when Ayat goes near Max because I've never had a good bonding with dogs. It's not that I hate them, but then I'm always anxious. Ayat completely had a ball of a time, yeah. Say I don't usually get to spend a lot of time because I'm working Monday to Friday, but on the weekends I make sure that I'm there with her all the time. We had a perfect weekend. And the highlight. So Ayat's first time she had a first ever pool experience. And I was so scared. Is she gonna be okay? I did not know that she's such a water baby. She literally refused to get out of the water. Finally we got to spend such beautiful memories. It's actually very crazy how refreshing nature can be. No stress, no noise, just love and good vibes. I did not know, like, this will become a core memory. But Alhamdulillah, for moments like these, and it's 6 a.m. I was waiting to capture, like, how many years has it been since I watched a proper sunrise? So beautiful, mashallah. Birds chirping, nature everywhere. It's so fresh and relaxing. Okay, here they are again into the pool. Daddy and daughter moments. Now it's almost time to leave. Mashallah for all their hard work and the effort, because we know how much it has taken to pull this beautiful project off. Alhamdulillah for this beautiful day, because we got to, like, spend such a relaxing weekend. If you like my video, do like it, and if you really loved it, share it. For more such videos like these, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon. Allah Hafiz.